San Cristóbal de La Laguna, often simply referred to as La Laguna, is a charming and historically rich city located in Tenerife, one of Spain's Canary Islands. Nestled in a fertile valley at the foot of the Anaga Mountains, La Laguna offers a unique blend of colonial heritage, vibrant culture, and stunning natural surroundings. Having visited the city, I can confidently say it is one of those places where history and modern life coexist in perfect harmony. La Laguna is Tenerife's former capital and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its well-preserved colonial architecture and urban layout. Walking through its cobblestone streets feels like stepping back in time. The city was meticulously planned in the 15th century without defensive walls, reflecting an innovative approach for its time. Its grid-like design later served as a model for many Latin American cities. The architecture is truly remarkable. From grandiose mansions with wooden balconies to colorful facades lining the streets, every building seems to tell a story. Must-see landmarks include the Cathedral of La Laguna, which combines neo-Gothic and neoclassical styles, and the Iglesia de la Concepción, with its striking bell tower that offers panoramic views. Many of the old homes have been converted into museums, cafés, or artisan shops, providing visitors with plenty to explore. La Laguna is also known for its youthful energy, largely thanks to the University of La Laguna, one of Spain's oldest universities. The student population breathes life into the city, creating a dynamic atmosphere that contrasts beautifully with its historic ambiance. This mix of old and new is most evident in the bustling plazas, where locals and tourists gather for coffee, conversation, and people-watching. The city is also a cultural hotspot. Traditional Canarian music and dance performances are frequent, especially during festivals. Speaking of festivals, La Laguna hosts several throughout the year, with the Romeria de San Benito Abad and Holy Week processions being particularly famous for their vibrant displays of local traditions and religious devotion. Food lovers will be delighted by the culinary scene in La Laguna. The city offers a variety of options, from traditional Canarian cuisine to international fare. Dishes like papas arrugadas con mojo, wrinkled potatoes with mojo sauce, gofio escaldado, a traditional flour-based dish, and fresh seafood are staples. The local markets, such as La Recova, are also worth a visit for those wanting to sample regional produce and delicacies. Parque de la Vega in San Cristóbal de La Laguna is a hidden gem and a perfect spot to unwind in the heart of the city. This spacious park is beautifully maintained, offering lush green lawns, shady trees, and colorful flower beds that make it a peaceful escape from the urban bustle. What sets Parque de la Vega apart is its family-friendly vibe. There's a fantastic playground for kids, plenty of open space for picnics or games, and even exercise equipment for those looking to stay active. The pathways are wide and ideal for a leisurely stroll or a jog, and the park's design ensures it's accessible for everyone. A highlight is the peaceful pond surrounded by benches, perfect for relaxing with a book or enjoying some quiet time. On weekends, you'll often see locals gathering here, which adds a lively yet relaxed atmosphere. Whether you're a traveler looking for a tranquil spot to recharge or a local out for a family outing, Parque de la Vega offers a slice of serenity in the vibrant city of La Laguna. The Drachenbaum, dragon tree, in San Cristóbal de La Laguna is a fascinating and iconic site that showcases Tenerife's unique natural heritage. These ancient trees, with their gnarled trunks and umbrella-like canopies, have a mythical quality and are deeply rooted in Canarian culture. While smaller than the famous dragon tree in Ico de los Vinos, the Drachenbaum in La Laguna still captivates with its beauty and the sense of history it exudes. Its unique shape and the reddish sap, known as dragon's blood, add to its mystique. The area around the tree is peaceful, making it a great spot to pause and admire this living relic. It's not a major attraction, but if you're exploring La Laguna, it's definitely worth a visit, especially for nature lovers or those interested in Tenerife's botanical treasures. The Mirador de San Roque in San Cristóbal de La Laguna is a fantastic spot to soak in the beauty of Tenerife's landscapes. Perched above the city, this viewpoint offers stunning panoramic views of the La Laguna Valley, with its historic buildings, lush surroundings, and the distant mountains creating a postcard-worthy scene. It's a peaceful place, perfect for a short stop to take photos or simply enjoy the tranquility. On clear days, you can see as far as the Anaga Mountains, making it an ideal spot for nature and photography enthusiasts. There's a small parking area nearby, so it's easily accessible. If you're exploring La Laguna and looking for a moment to appreciate the island's natural beauty, Mirador de San Roque is definitely worth visiting. What sets La Laguna apart is its authenticity. While many parts of Tenerife are heavily influenced by tourism, La Laguna feels more like a place where locals live, work, and celebrate their heritage. The city is compact enough to explore on foot, yet packed with enough attractions and activities to keep visitors engaged for days. If you enjoy history, culture, and gastronomy, combined with the laid-back charm of a Canarian lifestyle, San Cristóbal de La Laguna is a destination you shouldn't miss. It's a city that leaves a lasting impression, offering something for every traveler while preserving the essence of its past.